mustache I've ever seen in my life. You should tweak it like this and go. Was that a cop that just went by? Looked like it.
Yeah, I don't know why.
What?
It's not.
Harley's at the VFW. Oh my goodness, we're back up to $3.59 a gallon.
I glued a piece of paper onto my upper lip and I called it a mustache. Do you remember that?
Something like that.
And I glued a beard on.
Okay, it's been sitting on this whole time, I guess.
No, it hasn't. It's only been on for 5, 6.
No, I mean it's not been recording that whole time. I just clicked record on my phone, but the camera itself has been on.
Record audio.
Yes, it's recording.
Hello.
Oh my goodness, I should not have told you that.
Hi, future self. Sup?
You're the uncoolest.
We're driving out of Mom's work.
We're testing the camera.
And we're driving down the road now. Driving down the road still. Still driving.
Sky.
And that's a bus.
There's a tank.
Oh, yeah.
Not a tank bus though. There's a tank and
There's
a bus.
Dairy Queen. We just passed it. You can't see it now, but there's a random person. There's a car. You can't see the car because like you're blind. But there's trash cans.
Was out of my head, was out of my mind. How could I have ever
Dad, don't sing that. It's not Taylor Swift. It's not good music. There's another random guy
Taylor
riding
Swift. I'm a big dummy. Dumbest
You're so
person on the
mean.
whole planet.
Taylor Swift is
My
the best.
music
She loves
sucks.
chicken.
I'm terrible.
Taylor Swift's favorite color is purple.
And on top of
Taylor Swift is the best.
everything else,
Taylor Swift is
I'm
the best.
ugly.
Taylor Swift is beautiful.
Ugly.
Beautiful.
Put on some bright red lipstick. It looks stupid.
It looks amazing on her. It suits her. It don't suit nobody else in the world, but it suits her.
No.
Yeah.
She looks dumb.
You look dumb.
She looks like somebody that would get a toilet swirly in high school.
You look like you'd get a toilet swirly in middle school and high school and elementary school and preschool.
Yeah, right. You wish.
I don't. I do wish. Because it happened. I don't even have to wish.